Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix FB dating option not showing. So first of all guys, you have to go to menu, and after that maybe FB dating option is showing there. If it's not showing here guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to close this page. And first of all guys, you have to make sure that you are using latest version of the app. Okay guys, for that you have to open App Store, Play Store, and there you have to search for the app, and after that check if your app is updated. If your app is updated and still you are facing like this, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open Facebook app. And first of all guys, make sure that you are above 18, and also make sure that your country is in that list there this option is showing. Okay guys, so you have to make sure that your country is eligible for that option. Okay guys, if you have fulfilled all of these conditions, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to tap on menu. Let me tell you that you have to turn your FB into professional mode, and if your FB is in professional mode, just simply turn it into the simple mode, and after that check if it's working on. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to open the settings, and after that you can edit your age, and just simply you have to customize your age, and just simply you have to select your age as you have to select the age above 18, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And once it is there guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to change your country to that one in which this option is showing, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.